all my lovely friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a very special Goan recipe. That is prawn rissois, so let's see how to make it. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 50 to 60 ml of milk, 30 gram cheddar cheese, plain flour that is maida, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, baby prawns, salt to taste, finely chopped coriander. First heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon butter in it. Let it melt nicely. Then add chopped garlic in it. And cook it with the butter. On top, add finely chopped onion and cook it until it gets soft. Then add prawns in it. Here we are using cooked prawns. If you are using raw, fry it with the onions. Mix it all well. Then add black pepper powder in it. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it all well and add the milk in it. On top, add 1 tablespoon plain flour and mix it all together. Then add cheese in it. Then add chopped coriander and mix it all well. Our filling is ready. So turn off the gas and keep it aside. Now let's make the pastry ready. For that, take 1 cup of water in the pan. Add salt in it. 1 tablespoon oil and let it boil. Then add plain flour in it and then turn off the gas. Mix it and form a dough. Now we have to knead a smooth dough out of it. Roll it with the rolling pin. Then cut the small circles just like this. Put a spoonful filling in each pastry and then fold it like this. Now we have to give egg wash to it. So dip it in the egg and put it in the breadcrumbs after that. Make sure breadcrumb is nicely coated on it. All the prawn rissois are ready now. So let's fry it. Heat oil in the pan. Then fry all the rissois in it. Instead of prawn, you can also try it with chicken. Or if you are a vegetarian, you can try it with sweet corn, carrot and pepper. Wow, our rissois are really fried golden brown. So let's take it out now. This is popular Goan recipe. One of our friends sent it to us and we loved it so much. So we tried it and thought to share with you. Thanks to Antoinette Auntie for sharing this recipe with us. You do try this recipe and share this video with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.